Hello and welcome back to our channel. Many of us dream about quitting our 9-to-5 job and becoming our boss. The internet has made it easier than ever to start your own online business and make money fast. In this video, we will discuss the best ways to make money online quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Freelance gigs. One of the easiest ways to make quick money online is by working as a freelancer. There are plenty of websites that offer freelance gigs, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com. You can offer your skills, whether it be writing, graphic design, video editing, or social media management. The best part about freelancing is that you can choose your own hours and rates. Step 2. Online surveys. Another simple way to make quick money online is by taking surveys. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vendale Research pay for your opinions. You can earn cash, gift cards, or other rewards just for sharing your thoughts. Step 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make some passive income. It involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission when someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link. You can promote products on social media, blogs, or YouTube channels. Some popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction. Step 4. Online courses. Online courses are a great way to make money online while sharing your knowledge with others. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare allow you to create your courses and earn money when people enroll. You can create courses in any field, from cooking to coding. Step 5. YouTube or blogging. YouTube and blogging are great ways to make money online. You can create content about your interests, passions, or expertise and monetize your channel or blog with ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. It may take some time to grow your audience, but once you do, you can make a substantial amount of money. There are plenty of ways to make money online fast if you're willing to put in the effort. Whether you're freelancing, taking surveys, affiliate marketing, or creating online courses, there's something for everyone. Start today and turn your dream of quitting your 9-to-5 job into a reality. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money online.